The bull run is here and so are the questions. When are the markets going to correct? Are they going to correct at all? Should I go ahead and buy December puts? Am I missing out on opportunities? Should I go ahead and buy calls? So much confusion, so many questions, and amidst all of the drama that's currently going on in markets, this video is about 3 mistakes that you probably are doing in this bull run. So without any further ado, let's begin. Let's start the video by understanding the first mistake out of the 3, and in my honest opinion, it is probably the biggest mistake that you can do as a trader. What is it anyways? It is trying to time the markets. I am on Twitter and I see people every day just waking up and see some profit booking, and because of that they just go ahead and straight away buy puts. Be it Nifty, be it Bank Nifty, be it stocks. People are randomly buying puts into the markets thinking that markets have run enough and they cannot go higher. This is probably the biggest mistake that you can do, because whenever the phases of markets occur, they do not occur for few days, few weeks, or even few months. They can last for years. So as we have seen, the recovery post COVID in indices, especially Nifty and Bank Nifty, has been amazing. People think that ये इधर से इतना आ गया, 7,500 से 18,000 आ गया, अब कितना जाएगा? Don't ever think that, because markets are always going to prove you wrong if you stand against them. So people who are buying puts every day, people who are busy buying puts thinking that the markets are going to correct, the run of the markets are over, the bulls are now dead. Please don't do that, because every single time you do that, it is going to cost you your hard earned money. When you see those profit bookings in the markets, they are actually FIIs and DIIs booking their profits from earlier levels. So what you think as a correction is actually a profit booking, and instead of buying puts in those profit booking levels, what you can do is just wait for some time, see until what level the profit booking is going on, and then buy calls instead. Because if you stay with the trend, you are giving yourself a higher chance of making money in the markets rather than if you are just standing against the trend. So don't do that. Don't try to time the markets. If the correction is there, if any kind of crash is going to be there, don't worry, you're not going to miss out on those crashes, because market is not going to fall from 20,000 to 10,000 in one day. So you're going to have enough opportunities in those crashes as well, if at all they occur, if the corrections occur. So don't try to time the market by thinking that today is the day the markets are going to fall 5% or 10%. It will cost you your money every single time you do that. Alright, so let's now understand the second point, and which is missing opportunities. Now people most probably who are new into the markets, who have been like in last 1 year or so, only have seen this bull run, this mad bull run, and so these people are kind of making money. But for those who have been into markets since last 3-4 years, they have seen different phases of markets. They have seen sideways markets in November and December 2019. They have seen some bear phase of markets since the profit booking of January 2018. And that is why the older people, the elder people who are there, are not comfortable buying those stocks that are running. So like I have a list of stocks over here. I mean, every stock that you choose is running, but Tata Motors was available during the crash for 60 to 80 rupees. It was available during that price range. From 60 to 80 it was available. Post recovery it was available from 280 to 340, but we were like, no, let's not buy it, because it was available at 60 rupees and now it's trading at 300. It's probably overvalued at this point, and so many people missed out on buying opportunities of stocks like this, just because they thought that in crash it was available at this price and now it is trading at this price. It is probably overvalued. And now at the time of recording this video, Tata Motors is trading somewhere around 500 rupees. So even if you had bought Tata Motors at 280 or 300 zones, you would have made money. So the point I'm trying to make is this bull run is not here for a few days or few weeks. It can last for months, it can last for years, it can last more than you or I can think of. So there are opportunities everywhere. You just need to open your eyes and put money in them and make money out of it. Another stock which has been trending recently is IRCTC. So IRCTC was available for 780 to 850 zone during the crash, and post crash it gave a good consolidation. So in that consolidation range it was available from 1300 to 1800, and nobody was caring about IRCTC to see those accumulations going on, to buy IRCTC in those accumulations. No one cared to buy that stock at that price, and now it is available for 5,400, and now people think that, hey, I missed out on opportunity. So why do you think like this? You can still buy at 5,400 and exit at 6,500, can't you? So don't think that, hey, I missed out on opportunity, I should have done this, I could have done this. Today is the day, today is the time. Analyze, find your stocks, search for the momentum, and you can still make money in the markets. Reliance was available for 900 to 1000 rupees in that price range during the crash. Then later on it broke its all-time high and then was available for 2200, 2300 rupees, but we did not care to accumulate Reliance or quality stocks in that particular zone, and now it's trading at what, 2700 or so. Yeah, so now we think that Reliance, hey, I missed out on Reliance, I should have bought Reliance. Another one, TCS. So TCS was available for 1500 to 1700 during crash. Later on it was available for similar range of 2300 to 2500. We ignored it, and now it has made a high of 4000 rupees, currently trading at 3600. So the point I am trying to make here is, don't think like a common person who is thinking in markets and losing money. Just think differently. Think in a better way of how you can make money. Don't regret upon your past for missing out on opportunities, because the opportunity might lie in the present and you are busy for searching in the past that I missed out on this particular thing. So don't do that. Don't miss out on opportunities and regret. Rather than that, just focus on the present, focus on the momentum. Try to find momentum stocks that are running, and you can take swing trades in them and make 10 to 12% easily, because as we are seeing right now, the bull markets that are currently on are crazy bull markets. Stocks are moving 5, 7, 6% with ease, and for that very reasons you can find momentum in pretty much every stock that is trading in markets right now. So just don't regret for missing out on opportunities. Rather than that, focus on current momentum and find those stocks and make money. So the third mistake that you as a trader probably are doing is believing in fake consistency. Now what is it? So this is again for the people who have recently entered into the markets since last 1 year or so, and for these people, you have only experienced one phase of the market, and that is supreme bull run. So anything, since you have been watching markets for last 1 year or so, anything that you are watching is currently going up. So anything that you touch in the morning turns out to be gold in the afternoon. That is what is happening with so many people. So many people are making free money right now, but trust me guys, market will take every single penny out of you if you do not understand that this is not consistency. Because consistency in markets takes years and years of understanding markets. It takes you to understand each and every phase of the market, the bull phase, the bear phase, the sideways phase, and after you have understood how market operates in all the phases, only then you can actually become consistently profitable. What you are seeing right now is fake consistency. Trust me, the bull markets are here, and that is why it is just distributing free money to everyone, making them believe that this is how markets operate, this is how you can make money in markets, and trying to trap people, because so many people are leaving jobs because they are making money in markets right now. Don't do that, because this is not the consistency you're thinking of. Once this bull phase is over, or once the steam is kind of consolidation starts, the steam kind of runs off, then you're going to face issues, because at that point you're not going to have the kind of momentum we are having right now. So do not believe in this consistency, because it is just distributing free money to everyone right now, but market has a tendency of taking every single penny back from every single person it has given. So don't believe in this fake consistency. Try to understand that it is actually giving you free money. I'm not telling you that do not take this free money. Surely you can take this free money, but you do not have to overestimate yourself during this bull run, because every person becomes an analyst, every analyst becomes a trader in bull run. So I hope you understood these 3 mistakes that probably you are doing. You might not be doing them, you might be doing them, I do not know. But if you are doing these mistakes, then make sure to improve upon them. I have given you solutions, so you can work upon them and as well. And if you're liking such videos, then make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel, because I keep coming back with such content that revolves around trading, trading consistency, trading success, and everything that revolves around trading in general. And you guys can watch my other videos as well. I have made so many videos related to trading. So if you want to learn trading and want to dedicate yourself to trading or trying to make career in trading, then you can surely check out those other videos as well. I will see you in the next video. Until then, you guys take care. Bye bye. Peace out. So many questions, so much confusion, and amidst all of the drama that's currently going on in markets, this video is about 3 mistakes that you probably are doing during this bull run. So without any further ado, let's get into the video.